Quick question before we start, be honest. Do you feel like time is speeding up, but your energy is slowing down? Drop a yes or no in the comments. I'm really curious, because what scientists recently discovered may explain exactly why you feel this way. What if aging isn't something that just happens to you, but something your daily habits quietly accelerate? And what if slowing it down doesn't require pills, supplements, or extreme routines? Most people think aging is about wrinkles, gray hair, or just getting older. But scientists define aging very differently. Aging is the loss of adaptability. It means your body becomes slower to recover from a workout. Your brain becomes slower to focus on a task. Your energy drops faster after a big meal. And here's the scary part. Two people can be the same age, but biologically, one can be 20 years older than the other. Same birthday, completely different aging speed. So what's the secret? Researchers studying longevity, the science of living longer and healthier, noticed something strange. The longest living populations on Earth, these so-called blue zones, did not rely on supplements, expensive biohacking devices, or extreme diets. They shared one core behavior. It wasn't about what they ate. It wasn't about how much they exercised. It was about how their bodies handled stress. You see, aging isn't caused by stress. It's caused by never turning stress off. Inside your body, there's an internal switch. Think of it like a light switch for aging. When you experience stress, your body flips it on to deal with the threat. But when the stress is constant from work deadlines, traffic, notifications, family drama, that switch gets stuck in the on position. When that happens, inflammation rises, your cells repair themselves much slower, and DNA damage starts to accumulate. Scientists call this chronic stress signaling, and it ages you fast. Here's the problem. Modern life keeps this switch on from the moment you wake up. The alarm clock, the news, the emails, the social media feed. It's a constant barrage. This is exactly why anti-aging pills often fail long-term. They might target the symptoms, like low energy, dull skin, or poor focus, but they don't reset the signal. They don't flip the switch back to OFF. You can't supplement your way out of a broken rhythm. Here's the key takeaway. You don't age because you're missing something from a bottle. You age because your body never feels safe enough to enter repair mode. So, what was the big discovery? What was the real hack? Scientists found that the single strongest predictor of slower aging was something surprisingly simple: daily recovery cycles. I'm not talking about week-long vacations or even just getting enough sleep, though sleep is crucial. I'm talking about intentional moments of low stimulation woven into your day. Short, simple, consistent. Your body doesn't need more motivation. It doesn't need another energy drink or a new productivity app. It needs permission to slow down. Here's why this works, in simple terms. When you deliberately drop your level of stimulation, your stress hormone, cortisol, decreases. At the same time, your body releases more growth hormone, which is vital for repair. This is when your cellular repair machinery finally activates. It's the time your body fixes damage, stabilizes your DNA, and actively slows down biological aging. And no pill, no supplement, no fancy cream can replicate this internal process. And here's what shocked scientists. Even just 10 to 20 minutes of real, genuine recovery can measurably change the markers of aging in your body. But what does recovery actually mean? This is important. Recovery is not scrolling through your phone, watching videos, or checking messages. That's just another form of stimulation. True recovery is stillness, it's boredom, it's silence. It's slow, calm breathing. If your brain is being entertained, your body is not recovering. It's as simple as that. This leads us to what might be the most damaging habit of our time. The most aging habit today isn't junk food or lack of exercise. It's constant input. We live in an information-saturated world, and our nervous systems never get a chance to drop into repair mode. That overload keeps your biological age climbing quietly in the background. Most people don't wake up one day and suddenly feel old. They just feel tired, foggy, and perpetually off. That feeling? That is the sensation of accelerated aging. So how do we fix this? The protocol is refreshingly simple, no extremes required. Scientists suggest a simple structure every single day. Create at least one low stimulation window. No phone, no audio, no tasks, just you and your body resetting. Think of it this way, this isn't meditation, it's biological maintenance. It's like taking your car in for an oil change, but for your cells. When should you do it? This is important. The best times are often in the early morning before the day's chaos begins, as a midday reset to break up the stress, or in the evening as a wind down before sleep. But honestly, consistency matters more than the specific timing. The body doesn't track hours on a clock, it tracks patterns. A consistent pattern of recovery tells your body it's safe. The real-life effects are profound. People who adopt this simple habit report better, deeper sleep, calmer mornings without that frantic rush, improved focus throughout the day, and much more stable energy levels without the afternoon crashes. It doesn't happen instantly. This isn't a magic trick, but it happens steadily, building over time. Slower aging doesn't feel dramatic. It feels normal again. It feels like you, before the burnout. Now, I know what many of you are thinking. The most common objection is, I don't have time for this. And ironically, that's exactly why this works so well. The people who feel they are too busy are the ones living with the highest stress levels. They are the ones who benefit the most. If your life is fast, your recovery has to be intentional. It won't happen by accident. This is also why this simple habit beats supplements, hands down. Think about it. Supplements can assist the repair process. They can provide the raw materials, but recovery is what activates the repair process in the first place. One supports the system, the other controls the system. That's why no pill can ever replace this habit. Let's do a quick check-in. Have you had any moment of real stillness today? With no screens or distractions, just type YES or not yet in the comments. There's no judgment here. This is just about building awareness. Ultimately, this isn't about trying to live forever. It's about protecting your quality of life. It's about staying sharp, staying mobile, and staying mentally clear for as long as possible. Longevity isn't just about adding years to your life. It's about protecting the function within those years. So if you remember just one thing from this entire video, let it be this: aging speeds up when recovery disappears from your life. Bring recovery back even in small, daily doses and aging slows down. Scientists didn't find a miracle pill in their research. They found something far more powerful. They found a way to signal safety to your body every single day. If this made you think differently about aging, you're already ahead of most people. And if you want more content like this that explains the real science without the hype and noise, make sure you stick around. Your future self will thank you.